Alright, so I'm just going to show you all how to create a really simple undo and redo system using Construct 3. I'm just going to start with a demonstration. So this is a very simple drawing application that I've made. I'm just going to draw a stick man. There we go. Not the best drawing in the world, but it'll do. And if we go on undo, as you can see, it actually undoes each brush stroke that we do. And we can go on redo. I'm just tapping on here, and you can press undo at any time, redo. And if you go on clear, that'll actually just delete everything off there. Then we can start a new drawing. We can undo and redo that. So in order to create this, go into the event sheet. I'm just going to scroll to the top. So this is how we created the brush. I'm not going to go into too much detail there because you'll have your own project. And this is what we want to look at. So the undo and redo system. So first of all, you need to add a global variable. I call mine slot number GV, and I set it as a number at 0. To add global variables, if you don't know, you just right click and go add global variable. And system, on starter layout, you want to save the game to a slot, and let me just double click on that and go back to show you how I did that. So it's just system, under save and load, save, next. It'll probably come up with my save in quotation marks. You can rename that to something you want, but I'll just keep it as my save just for convenience. And then you add the and sign and then the global variable name. So just make sure you spell it right, it'll appear in this over here. And you want to add one to the global variable. So just under here, add 2, and then the global variable name and value 1. Then underneath you go touch on any touch end with the condition that it's touching the yellow background. And the reason I do that is because I don't want to save each time somebody clicks up here. I only want to save when they make a brush stroke. And to add conditions, just come over here, right click, add another condition, go touch, is touching object, and click on OK. Just going to go cancel that. And you save the game, same again, and you add one to the global variable. So underneath this we go, when we tap on the undo button, which is actually a sprite, we then load the game from this and we -2. And the reason we -2 is because we're adding one to the global variable. So in order to just go back one step, we need to go -2. Hopefully that makes sense. And then the redo, just tap on the button and it loads the game from that slot. And that's all there is to it. Hope it helps you out, and thank you for watching.